This highly secured facility is where every military-grade grenade begins its life. Only authorized, specially trained workers are allowed to enter these restricted zones. Thick industrial-grade steel arrives here in solid block form. Each steel block is transported by overhead cranes to the high-temperature furnace zone. Inside the furnace, extreme heat liquefies the metal within minutes. Every degree of heat is computer-controlled to ensure consistent metal quality. The liquid metal is carefully poured into precision-engineered shell molds. These newly formed shells must cool gradually to prevent internal stress cracks.
Automated systems remove and inspect each shell without human contact.
At this stage, the shape is complete congruence, but the surface is still unrefined. Computer-controlled machines now trim each shell to exact specifications.
Surface grinding ensures uniform thickness and perfect balance.
Laser systems detect microscopic defects invisible to the human eye.
Manual checks are performed to verify machine accuracy.
Any defective unit is permanently removed from production. The solid shells now undergo internal machining to form their engineered core space. This cavity is engineered for balance, strength, and predictable performance. Every trace of loose metal must be removed before the next phase.
A multi-stage wash eliminates oil, dust, and machining residue.
Moisture is completely removed to prevent chemical instability later. Even the interior is visually inspected for hidden defects. Only shells within perfect tolerance continue forward. Out-of-spec units are isolated and melted down again. Production now enters the most restricted part of the facility. From here on, strict explosive material safety protocols apply. Static-free suits protect both workers and materials. This entire section is isolated from the rest of the factory. All energetic materials are transported using vibration-absorbing systems. Every batch is digitally logged before production continues. Each unit is positioned by robotics for absolute precision. The filling process is fully automated to minimize human risk. Each unit is weighed instantly during filling. Any micro deviation is corrected automatically by the system. Once filled, the shell immediately moves towards sealing. The opening is permanently sealed under controlled force. X-ray systems confirm internal uniformity without opening the shell. Transport stress is simulated through vibration testing.
Temperature cycling ensures stability under extreme climates.
Only fully validated units continue to final assembly. Each approved shell receives a permanent tracking mark.
Surface preparation is critical for coating adhesion.
Protective coatings are applied with robotic precision. Heat curing strengthens the outer protective layer. Every unit is digitally traceable from this point onward. At a glance, the scale of production becomes clear. Critical activation components are handled in total isolation. Robotics ensure absolute consistency in every unit. Optical systems verify precision beyond human capability. Resistance testing confirms mechanical strength. Balance testing prevents unpredictable movement in real conditions. Every unit's digital history is verified one last time. Statistical testing ensures batch reliability. All high-energy testing occurs behind layered protection.
Data, not guesswork, drives approval decisions.
Only fully certified units move to packaging. Nothing that fails testing is ever repurposed.
Even surface contaminants are removed at the final stage.
Shock-absorbing trays prevent damage during transport. Digital tracking continues through every logistical step.
Automation ensures speed, safety, and consistency.
Final packaging is built to withstand extreme handling. Strict labeling ensures compliance with global safety rules. Non-intrusive scans confirm correct packing. Movement inside the facility follows tightly controlled routes.
Environmental conditions are carefully maintained in storage.
Every cradle's position is digitally mapped in real time.
24-hour security protects every section of the warehouse.
Transportation begins under strict logistical oversight. Loading occurs without direct human lifting. Shipments are monitored from departure to delivery.
Finished products leave under guarded transport.
Every movement is logged and recorded. The production cycle begins again almost immediately.
Constant maintenance keeps the process stable and safe.
Operations here never truly sleep. Around the clock, production continues without pause.
Between shifts, the machines rest briefly. Millions of data points guide every optimization.
Even minor misalignment is corrected instantly. Emergency readiness is practiced constantly. This massive operation functions as a single, unified system.
Decades of industrial evolution are recorded here.
Technology has transformed every stage of production.
Precision remains the heart of the process. Another production day quietly comes to an end.
Behind every machine, trained professionals make it possible.
From raw steel to finished equipment, the journey is complete. This is the unseen world.